Hello guys! Welcome back sa our YouTube channel. So today guys, gusto kong mag-share sa inyo ng another job opportunities going to Canada. And isa sa mga agency na legit guys. And license po siya ni Department of Migrant Workers. And of course, even hindi po ako dito galing sa recruitment agency na i-share ko sa inyo today, is I have a lot of friends and co-workers na dito sila ito yung naging daan nila at tumulong sa kanila papunta dito sa Canada. Guys, today I'm excited to share with you itong job opportunities na meron ngayon right now. So, ito guys ay multinational fast food chain in Canada. Yung hawak ni IPAMS Philippines. So, eto guys. So, isi-share ko sa inyo ano yung job position and ano yung mga requirements na i-check nyo guys yung mga requirements kasi that's the best way. Kasi si IPAMS if you are not qualified, kasi even mag-submit kayo ng resume, pag hindi kayo qualified dun sa mga hinihingi nilang requirements na align sa IRCC, hindi nila kayo ino-notify or you will not receive any response from them. Okay? So, si IPAMS Philippines is located sa Quezon City. And you can follow their Facebook page, IPAMS Philippines, and meron silang website, guys. And they are very active dun sa pag-update sa Facebook page at the same time. Guys, alam nyo, even you are right now in the province of Philippines, different province of the Philippines, nagkakandak sila ng mga job hiring sa mga location. So, pag pinalo nyo yung Facebook page nila, they will post doon kung ano yung mga location na pupuntahan nila. Nagmamas hiring sila. And one of the country na hinahandle nila is Canada. So, yun na nga guys. So, etong job position na ito ay hiring sila until September 25, 2024 guys. So, you have a time pa. Actually, they will start this pinost nila ng June 27 up to September 24 yung niraran up nila na hiring. So, the first job opportunity guys is fast food manager. So, sinasabi dito, si employer is a multinational fast food chain in Canada. So, under the category, kasi dito guys, yung mga hotel, meron din yung mga restaurants dyan, and fast food chain. So, hawak nila hotel, restaurant, like McDonald's, A&W, Tim Hortons, and then the supermarket. It's like the supermarket sa Philippines, meron din po mga food court dito sa supermarket or grocery store dito sa Canada. And the other thing is the retail store. Meron din silang mga mga food establishment na kailangan nila ng fast food manager. So, the work location is Canada. As of now, wala pong sinasabi kung where in the province of Canada. So, walang sinabi, walang in-identify kung saan province dito sa Canada. In terms of gender, guys, male or female. So, sinasabi nga dito yung what I said a while ago. Sabi ang note ni IPAMS, we can only respond to applicants whose current experience, industry, and qualification match the requirements of the principal or the employer. Online registration only, no walk-in applicants will be entertained. IPAMS will invite you for further screening, physical or online via email. So, it means if you are qualified na nag-register ka or nag-apply ka online, if you are qualified, the IPAMS will invite you for further screening. So, i-double check nila even physical or online. They will conduct online also, especially if you are like nasa Mindanao or malayo sa Metro Manila. Okay? So, I hope it will be clear. Kaya guys, pag mag-a-apply kayo, you need to double check all the requirements para hindi yung, ay nako, 200 na yung pinasahan ko. Ay nako, naka 500 resume na ako na pinasa ko. Guys, take note po. I-double check nyo yung qualification. Diba? Especially, sayang naman yung sinasabit nyo na effort. Kung doon pa lang sa qualification, nagpe-pretend na tayo na papasok tayo. Okay, so what are the qualifications? So here, number 1 is college graduate, hotel and restaurant management, or any business-related course. Next is minimum of 3 years experience as a manager from international fast food chain. So guys, pag sinabing minimum, doon po mag-i-start. Hindi po bababa sa 3 years. Okay? The third one, excellent communication skills with fluency in English language, reading and writing. So, parang, kasi requirements din guys, pag-apply ng permanent residence yung IELTS. So, syempre, Canada tayo pupunta, dapat marunong tayong mag-English at magsalita, especially manager to, diba? And the fourth one, with training in food and safety standard, people management, and operational cost analysis. Take note guys, kapag kayo ay manager sa Pilipinas, like assistant manager or store manager or restaurant manager, nandyan yan, CC yan sa inyo. And especially if you are undergo that JFC, I'm from the JFC, so every year, most likely, nagre-review sila ng mga food standard. And may mga certificates yan guys, diba? So, people management, ano lang yan, floor control, ship management, ano yan, pasok kayo dyan, especially talaga kung under kayo ng JFC, even McDonald's and other Pizza Hut, yan, kahit anong international food industry or fast food chain sa Pilipinas, basta pasok kayo doon sa requirements na ibinigay. Actually, ano lang siya, 4 lang yung requirements guys. College graduate, hotel and restaurant or any business related course, 3 years working experience pataas, excellent communication skills, and syempre marunong dapat kayo mag-English in terms of speaking and writing, and then training ng mga food safety practices, people management, and syempre hosting ng pera, di ba? Parang lang yan, syempre. So yun yung mga requirements guys, and the task description guys is basic lang to guys. Trabaho talaga ito ng manager na masasabi ko. So, hindi ko na iisa-isahin guys kung ano yung mga task description. So, ipa-flash ko na lang dito sa screen and ilalagay ko sa description box para mas madali. Okay? If you assess your personal profile guys and qualify ka dun sa mga sinabi kong 4 na requirements lang guys, is click nyo itong registered apply. So, ipa-flash ko to sa screen. Registered to apply. Yung green button na yan. I-click nyo yan and then proceed na kayo dun sa hinihingi. Fill upan nyo yung mga hinihingi requirements. Take note guys, they will not accept walk-in applicants. Okay? So, there is another opportunity guys na babanggitin ko sa inyo. Mabilis lang to guys. Another job opportunity. Actually, itong next opportunity nito guys is mas mababa yung requirements. So again, din siya, employer din siya ng multinational fast food chain. Category, same po sa fast food manager kanina na hiningi. Sa mga hotel, pwede kayo ma-assign sa mga hotel kasi may mga may mga food court o tsaka mga restaurant dyan. Supermarket and retail store or talaga yung mga alone stand ng mga restaurant. So, location again is Canada. As of now, there is no specific province here in Canada. First duration, hanggang September 25, nag-a-accept sila ng applicants. Okay? And then, female or male. Okay? So, there is a qualification again, 4 qualification. Ito ay sa fast food attendant guys ha. As number 2 na tayo, fast food attendant. So, what are the qualification guys? Mabilis lang. High school graduate or college undergraduate. Next, minimum of 1 year experience as a crew from international fast food chain. So, ito guys, 1 year experience as a crew from any international fast food chain. Okay? Excellent communication skills with fluency sa English, language, reading, and writing. So, same then. Again, it's very important that you know how to speak, how to read, how to write English kasi pupunta kayo sa English country na very important dito ang English. And then number 4 is flexible and willing to work in a shift hours. So shifting time, same the Philippines. Mayroong morning shift, may overnight shift or graveyard, may closing shift, may mid shift. So eto, walang problema to, diba? Especially kapag gustong-gusto mo talaga na pumunta dito sa Canada. The task description, basic lang kung ano yung ginagawa nyo sa Philippines. Same lang dito, magkaiba lang yung product wherever you are. Example, your working experience is the Jollibee. Pagdating mo dito, mapunta ka sa A&W. Napaka-easy lang mag-adapt ng bagong product. So, the same on how to deal with the customer, on how to take the order, mga transaction, maybe additional dito kasi is madalas dito is a lot of restaurant having a drive-thru. Kasi sa Pilipinas, especially sa Metro Manila, hindi ganun kadami ng mga drive-thru. But here in Canada, there's a lot of drive-thru transaction. Okay? So, the rest is basic ano na lang siya, trabaho or task na ginagawa. So, again, if you are qualified on this qualification na binanggit ko, you can apply, registered to apply. Okay? So, yun guys, ang ating good news for today, and I hope na magkaroon kayo ng idea. Ilalagay ko guys yung website ni iPAMS Philippines. Ito yung website niya. Ipapasok ko din sa description box and i-comment ko din below para i-copy paste nyo na lang and then go through na tayo. So, if you are qualified, galingan nyo, gandahan nyo yung resume nyo, i-highlight nyo yung working experience nyo, and then i-highlight din nyo yung mga sinabi kong qualification para sa front page pa lang is align na kayo sa kanila. So, yun lang. I wish you all the best guys and see you in the next one. Bye for now! I know you got all dressed up for the club.